Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi A2, and today I will show you how we can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications like this by swiping down from the top of our screen. I'm gonna swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. One of those toggles should be the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me, it is right over here at the front. But if you don't see it on this page, you might want to swipe to the left. This will show you a second page. And if you still don't see it, you can click right here on this pencil and add the toggle from the deactivated list, assuming it's turned off by default. And you would do so by just grabbing the toggle. It gives you a vibration, and then you can drag it here, drop it, and now it will become accessible. As you can see, there's the camera one. So anyway, once you see this toggle and the Do Not Disturb one, you can hold it if you're doing this the first time around, and I do recommend holding it because this will take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. Now, I'm just going to touch upon the more important options in here, like for instance people. This will select or allow you to select who can message you and call you. And on the calls, we do have a additional option for repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they'll be bypassing anything that is selected right here. By default, this is enabled. And if, for instance, you have set that no one can call you during this mode, and you have this enabled, if they meet the requirement, they will bypass this option. Now, moving on, another good option is the schedule. This just allows you to select a pre-made schedule, so the mode will turn on and off at a provided day of the week and start and end time. And if you're planning to use a schedule, you can create new ones obviously, but if you're planning to use ones, I can just enable it from here like this, or this, and that's all you need to do. The phone will do everything else for you. Now going back to the settings right here, we also have duration for quick settings. There's another pretty decent option right here. It gives you three options right here. We have until turn off, which is the default one, for 1 hour, or ask every time. Ask every time will give you the two first options every time you press on a toggle. Now, in all honesty, I would recommend for most of the people that are just occasionally using the Do Not Disturb mode to select it for the 1 hour and just maybe make it a little bit longer than 1 hour. I personally would set it up to something like 4 hours. Now, to explain why I recommend this, if you tend to enable your Do Not Disturb mode occasionally, you will probably forget about it once you're done needing it. So you go on a business meeting, you enable it just so you don't get interrupted during it. And then once it's done, you just go on your merry way doing whatever else you're supposed to be doing, and your mode will just be permanently enabled. But with this option right here on a timer, when you enable it and when you then turn on your Do Not Disturb mode, it will get turned on for the 4 hours. And after 4 hours, it will automatically turn off no matter if I remembered or forgot about it. If I remembered about it, I can turn it off myself anyway. But if I forget about it, obviously this will turn it off for me, which is a pretty nice option to have. Otherwise, all the settings that I have chosen in terms of who can call you and message you will be permanently in effect, which might not be something that people would want. So there we go, those are basically all the important settings here. Now once you're done setting it up, you can manually turn it on by tapping on a toggle like I did before. You can tap on it again to turn it off, and if you're using schedule, apart from enabling the schedule, you don't need to do anything extra. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.